Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use oregano oil for hair growth. Oregano oil, rich in carvacrol, offers powerful antioxidant benefits for your scalp. A healthy scalp is crucial for robust hair growth, as it provides the ideal environment for your follicles. By improving circulation and reducing inflammation, oregano oil can help foster stronger, healthier hair from the root. It's a natural way to support your hair's vitality. Proper dilution is absolutely essential when using oregano oil for your hair. Never apply it undiluted, as it's very potent and can cause irritation. Always mix 1 to 2 drops of oregano oil with 1 tablespoon of a gentle carrier oil, such as jojoba, coconut, or olive oil. This ensures the oil is safe and effective for your scalp, preventing any adverse reactions. Once your oregano oil is properly diluted, it's time for application. Mix the oils well in a small bowl. Then, using your fingertips, gently apply the mixture directly to your scalp. Massage your scalp for about 5 to 10 minutes to stimulate blood flow and ensure even distribution. Let the oil sit for at least 30 minutes or even up to an hour before shampooing as usual. For best results, incorporate this diluted oregano oil treatment into your routine 1 to 2 times per week. Always perform a patch test on a small area of skin first to check for any sensitivity. If you experience any irritation, redness, or discomfort, discontinue use immediately. If you have any underlying scalp conditions or concerns, it's always wise to consult a healthcare professional before starting any new treatment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.